You'll have love at first sight with the 2019 Nissan Rogue. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Style, security, and efficiency blend beautifully in this Nissan Rogue, the handsome family-friendly compact SUV that offers standard driver assist safety features and a smooth, responsive ride. Comfortable and capable, this sporty four-door hatchback brings confidence along on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, backup camera, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, keyless start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, blind spot monitor. Enjoy the convenience and comfort this Rogue has to offer. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.